So I haven't put the corners on this one, but I have decided that I will put, before I put the pages in, I've decided I'll just do a couple of little dangly bits hanging on there, and they are done. And I thought what I also would do was the clasp, and you've probably seen me do this before. So I have this machine, it's crocodile by, I don't know who it's from. We Are America. Anyway, it's from America. We Are Memory Keepers. Okay. Anyway, I'm just going to cut a hole. I'm going to mark a hole there in pencil or pen or something, and just do that. I'm not even going to measure it, I don't think. It's kind of an eyeball. That'll be fine. Because all I'm going to do is actually, yeah. And there, look. It's only a little, it's only my, my practice one. So let's see if I can do this without causing any difficulty. There's one. And two. Perfect. Brilliant. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get a piece of this cord, and I'm going to make a little loop. Now, I don't know that I'm going to put another dangle on. I just kind of want to make a tie. So we're going to tie a knot in there, in the one at the back, and we're going to put that through there like so. And I am going to put another little tassel on. Is that the same one? I don't remember now. No, different one. I bought these. These aren't silver. They're just, you know, mock silvery things. Okay, so I'm going to put that through there. And I'm just going to put this on exactly the same as I did the other ones. I like this one because it's got a really big eye. And I'm going to tie this on. And then I'm going to tape it up the same, and with some red tape I'm using. Go around and around until it sort of covers and holds it all together, like so. I'll just take that little bit off there. Really need to sharpen my scissors. Right, now this, so this will always open when I've got the signatures in. It will always open, but if I actually want to close it, I just thought I'd show you. So my pages are not normal pages because I'm going to either do ink work or little collages or sketches or whatever. I really like a mixed media background in my little pages. And so they're upcycled again, you know, from a book. So it was just an old book that is not used anymore and was ready to go to the recycling bin. So what I've done is I've actually gessoed most of the pages. I've drawn sometimes underneath them, and just to give them some more interest at this point, because I don't know what actually else I'm going to do. I've trimmed them up to be the right size for this little book. And the pages, they're not even quite dry yet. But because you've gessoed both sides of the pages, you get this different quality of paper. The paper itself, because it's ancient, like old paper, is vintage paper, I think they call it, is got cotton in it. So when you actually add more to it, it just becomes this really beautiful, thick piece of paper when you've added paint to both sides of it. So anyway, there's only 2 signatures of 3 in here. It's not a very big book. It doesn't need to be. I don't know what I'm using it for. It'll be for some little journey that I do, maybe away on the weekend or something like that. So they go in there like that. They go in there like that. And then I did realize, I told you that it closes at the front, but it actually doesn't. It has to close at the back. So you pull it through the back and then go to the front, like so. And there's my little book. Okay. Have fun. Have a great day. See you next week with the bigger project. Okay. Bye.